This video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Netflix. If you are new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe to our channel because we upload videos like this on a regular basis, and also to not miss videos, you can also turn on the notifications. So to create your own account on Netflix, you will need to head over to the website, which is netflix.com. Now from here, all you need to do is enter in your email address right here and then click on get started. If your email address is not already used for a different Netflix account, then it will show you a similar interface. Now you can click on next and create a password for Netflix. After that, you can click on next. Now here it will tell you to choose your plan. So as you know, Netflix is a paid subscription company. So you'll need to first choose your plan in order to create your account. Click on next. Here it will show you all of the plans that are available. If you choose the first plan, which is the mobile plan, it will cost you $3.99 and you can watch it on 2 devices. And similar to that, you can see all of the description of the plans. Now simply choose the plan that you want and then click on next. Now this is a section where you need to choose your payment method. If you click on credit or debit card, it will take you to the section where you can enter in your card details and click on start membership. If you want to use your PayPal account, you can click on the second option right here and then click on continue to PayPal. It will straight take you to the website of PayPal where you need to enter in your details and log in. From there you can continue with the payment. Now after you pay the amount, your subscription will start. And based upon the plan that you chose, you can use all of these services. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And that's going to be all for today's video. And I'll be back with more.